Welcome back to the channel Car Mania, and today we have something truly extraordinary for you: the 2026 Mercedes Maybach Mythos Limousine, the epitome of ultra luxury and a statement on wheels. This is not just a car, this is a moving palace, a symbol of status and elegance, designed for those who believe in traveling in ultimate style and comfort. The new Mythos Limousine is a bold step forward for Mercedes Maybach, redefining what a luxury limousine should be and taking opulence to an entirely new level. The first thing that catches your eye is the sheer presence of this limousine. It is long, it is sleek, and it commands attention wherever it goes. The front grille has been redesigned with a more prominent chrome finish and a glowing Maybach emblem that proudly illuminates when the car is unlocked. The headlights are futuristic with adaptive digital light technology that projects not just light but also information onto the road. The overall silhouette is elegant with a stretched profile that gives this limousine its signature road-dominating look. Step inside and you are welcomed into a world of unmatched luxury. The cabin is a blend of handcrafted excellence and advanced technology. There is full leather upholstery available in custom colors, exotic wood trims, and even a starlight headliner that replicates a night sky. The 2026 Mythos Limousine is designed for the rear passengers, so you get fully reclining lounge seats with massage, ventilation, and heating functions. There are integrated footrests, a personal refrigerator, crystal glass holders, and a smart fragrance system that lets you choose the aroma you want to enjoy on your journey. Technology is where the Maybach Mythos truly shines. Each passenger seat comes with its own large OLED screen, offering individual entertainment controls, wireless streaming, and even conference call features. Thanks to 5G connectivity, there is a 4D Burmester sound system with speakers hidden all around the cabin, creating an immersive theater-like experience. The ambient lighting system has over 200 customizable colors and modes that sync with music or mood and even respond to your voice commands. Under the hood, Mercedes has equipped the Mythos Limousine with a hybrid powertrain that combines a powerful V12 engine with an advanced electric motor. Together they produce breathtaking power but deliver it with complete smoothness, ensuring that the car glides rather than drives. The suspension system uses predictive road scanning technology to adjust in real time, making potholes, speed bumps, and rough roads feel almost invisible. This is the closest you can get to a magic carpet ride in a real car. Safety has not been compromised either. The 2026 Mythos Limousine comes with next-generation driver assistance features, including hands-free highway driving, automatic lane changes, collision avoidance, and even a chauffeur assist mode that optimizes the ride for maximum comfort when a driver is behind the wheel. Mercedes has also included biometric security, so the car recognizes its passengers and adjusts all settings automatically, from seat position to climate control to entertainment preferences. But what truly sets the Mythos apart from any other luxury limousine is its level of exclusivity. Mercedes has announced that production will be extremely limited and each car will be custom built to the client's specifications. This means you can personalize nearly every detail, from the paint finish to the materials used for the interior, and even request unique monograms and logos on the seats and door panels. It is not just a car, it is a statement piece, a bespoke creation that reflects your personality. Driving or being driven in the 2026 Maybach Mythos Limousine is an experience like no other. It combines the prestige of the Maybach name with the latest automotive technology, creating a sanctuary on wheels. Whether you are attending a red carpet event, a high-profile business meeting, or simply enjoying a peaceful night drive, this limousine ensures you arrive in absolute style and comfort. So what do you think about the all-new Mercedes Maybach Mythos Limousine of 2026? Is this the future of luxury travel, or have Mercedes taken luxury too far? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let's talk about it. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most luxurious vehicles ever built, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Car Mania, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update about the latest supercars, hypercars, and luxury rides. Until next time, this is Car Mania signing off. Drive safe and stay passionate about cars.